Hello, I'm very excited to share with you essential information about ProNail Complex. If you're seeking an effective solution for nail fungus problems, this video is for you. We'll cover all the important aspects of ProNail Complex, from how it works to where to safely acquire it. If you suffer from nail fungus, you know how frustrating and uncomfortable it can be. Discolored, brittle nails with fungus can affect your self-esteem and even your health. But today, I'm here to introduce a promising solution, ProNail Complex. ProNail Complex is a completely natural spray formulated to eliminate nail fungus and promote healthy, strong nails. It's a safe alternative to traditional chemical treatments as it's composed of a carefully selected blend of oils and vitamins. This spray acts directly on the fungus, penetrating the nails and combating the infection from the root. Its unique formula contains natural ingredients with antifungal and nutritive properties, which effectively and safely restore nail health. ProNail Complex contains a blend of essential oils such as lavender, tea tree, and aloe vera, known for their antifungal and healing properties. Additionally, it's easy to use and has no side effects, making it an ideal option for those seeking a natural solution to nail fungus problems. If you're tired of dealing with nail fungus and are looking for an effective and safe solution, ProNail Complex is the right choice for you. Click the link in the description below to purchase yours on the manufacturer's official website and enjoy exclusive benefits such as free shipping and a money-back guarantee. Lastly, an important warning: beware of scams and counterfeit products. ProNail Complex is only available for purchase on the manufacturer's official website, ensuring the authenticity and effectiveness of the product. Don't fall into traps and protect your health and investment, so I'll leave the official website with a guarantee here in the video description and also in the first pinned comment. I hope this video has clarified your doubts and provided valuable information about ProNail Complex. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to leave a like and share it with friends and family who may also benefit from this product. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.